pieces of your 3/8 inch orange grosgrain ribbon and cut them to 5 inches, and then make sure to seal your ends. Have your hot glue gun ready, and we're just going to take the ribbon strips and crease them just a little bit to know where the center is. I'm only going to do 2 at a time. And then take your hot glue gun and put a little bit in that center, and then place the center of this one on top of that one. And that forms an X. Now we're gonna just add another X on top of that one. Put hot glue in the center there. And then there's the base of our pumpkin. So now we're going to take just one of your strips and add a little bit of glue on the end, and then take the opposite side and glue them together, and just make sure you only glue just a little bit of those ends. And then we're going to go the opposite direction. Add a little bit of glue just on the end right here, and bring this one up and glue. Just make sure to keep them straight and even. Just keep adding glue, but remember not to bring them up to the center, just bring them up slightly off so that they're touching but not overlapping. And that finishes the shape of the pumpkin. Now cut a green piece of 3/8 inch grosgrain ribbon, and you don't need to seal your ends with this. And then we're just gonna fold it in half. So place a little bit of glue, and then fold it in half, but not, when you place the glue on, you don't want to glue it all the way up to the top, to the middle, because you still want to see loop right there. And then we're gonna glue the center together, and then squeeze that together. Doesn't really want to go that way, so you kind of have to hold it there for a little bit. Right. So once that's ready, this is going to be our stem. Now we don't want our stem to be sticking up that tall, so we just need to cut it. And then how close you want to cut it is really your preference. So I'm going to cut mine right here. And then I'm going to seal the end. And that is going to be my stem. Alright, have all of your pieces. So you need your corker ribbon, and this is 1/4 of an inch green ribbon, and cut that to a little bit less than 2 inches. Then we have our stem and our pumpkin and our lined clip. And the first thing we're going to do is put our pumpkin onto our lined clip. So just add glue to the lined clip, and then take the line that you want to go on the clip and place that down. Okay, and then next we're going to add our corker ribbon. And so just put it on, see where you want it to be. Place hot glue. And then we just need to add our stem. We're going to add it right there. So just place a little bit of glue on the bottom of your stem. And then open up your corker ribbon and place it where you want it to go. And it will stick pretty well, so make sure you know exactly where you're going to put it before you put it on. And that finishes this cute pumpkin ribbon sculpture.